Start seated upright with your dumbbells on your knees. Inhale and lay back and get your dumbbells in your starting position. Hold those dumbbells steady over your chest, and before you start, make sure that your shoulders are driven down and your chest is up. Inhale as you bring them down, exhale as you bring them up, and keep that chest flexed. It's not just an arm exercise, we're working our chest here. Repeat with good form for programmed reps. This is a dumbbell bench press. It's a powerful chest exercise. I've got my dumbbells, I've got my bench. Let's get into it. See how she's keeping her back engaged, her shoulders down, and her dumbbells over her chest? She's doing an amazing job using her pectoral muscles and not just her arms to hit this exercise. Keep it up, Katie. You're doing awesome.